What's up, Tower Rivers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today's video is going to be a very basic tutorial video as to how to change a flat tire. As you can see, we have a flat over here. The rear right tire has given up. So let me show you the TPMS as well, that it works. Okay, let me just get inside the car. There you guys, you can see loss of pressure, rear right tire, and let me show it to you in the infotainment as well. So let's check over here as well. Go to car, selection, vehicle status, and over here it's showing 2 tires. When all 4 tires pressure has been set. Okay, so loss of pressure in rear right tire, as you can see. So TPMS works as well. Basically, it has been warning me for the past 3-4 days. I didn't take it seriously, and now we have a flat. Okay, so whoever had a doubt whether the TPMS in the Slavia works or not, it definitely does work. Let's get started with the process of changing the tire, guys. So first and foremost, we're gonna take out our tools. Sorry for the mess here, I'm just lazy folding the cover and everything. So here are our tools, and there's a spare tire, as you can see. So as you guys can see, there's the jack over there. This is the tool which we're going to use to raise the car with the help of the jack. So the beat is over here, as you can see. This is where you're supposed to place the jack, not over here on the frame of the vehicle, but over here on the beat which is placed. You're supposed to place the jack over here and raise the car accordingly. So guys, we've placed the jack, we've placed the tool over here. This will rotate clockwise for the car to go up. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to loosen the bolts of this wheel, and we're going to be raising this car. We're going to be taking this wheel out and placing the spare. Alright, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, there are bolt covers placed over here. यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे निकल गया होगा. This is the tool we use, okay, to pull these bolt covers out. So you just place it and it comes out like this. Alright, so that's pretty easy. We're going to be getting rid of these as well the same way. So now we've gotten rid of all the bolt covers. वहाँ पे एक चला गया. So I'll just get that. We're going to loosen the bolts now. So guys, this is the wrench we're going to use to loosen the bolts. Alright, I'll be placing my phone over here so that's visible. Okay. So quick tip guys, if you don't want to dirty your pants, okay, you can just take a mat from inside the car and place yourself over here. Alright, so you don't scrape your knee or dirty your pants or anything like that, or tear your clothes. So guys, we've raised the car. Now we're going to be putting the tire out. Okay. So basically, if it's too tight, just kick the tire once or twice and it will easily come out. Alright, let's sorry, it'll easily come out. Let's bring out the spare and start placing that. I mean, look at this. All these pieces of tiny pebbles are stuck in between the lines of the tires. So as you can see, और ये टायर 3500 किलोमीटर बाद ही पंचर हो गया है. और ये दिस इज अ C8 का सिक्योरा ड्राइव का टायर. नॉट इवन 3500 kilometers guys, 3420 something kilometers. So see, tire can puncture any time. You can't blame the mileage. Maybe कोई कील व्हील घुस गया होगा and it got punctured. So we've taken out the spare. Let's start placing the spare now. So guys, we have the spare wheel over here. We're going to be lowering the car now. we're going to be placing the spare wheel, tightening the bolts, and finally completing the procedure of changing the flat. Alright, let's get started. So we've tightened the bolts using our hands right now, guys. Now we're going to be lowering this car and we're going to tighten it using the wrench over here. यार ये मैं निकाला, मैं इस पर एक बार भी नहीं बैठा. So, but still, you can use this and sit on this. एक और मैट निकाल लेना गाड़ी से and sit on that. But okay, let's keep going. So guys, we've lowered the car. We're going to be placing the wrench and we're going to be tightening it to the max so that it's secure. We're going to be using a foot also. So basically, मैं दिखा नहीं सकता but आपको बता दे रहा हूँ. To tighten it to the max, you place your foot over and jump on it, okay? And it will tighten. You'll hear a click, okay? That means it's tightened to the max, all right? And if it's not loosening, again you have to do the same procedure counterclockwise and keep your foot on top of this and jump on it till it, you know, till the bolts are loose, all right? So this is one tip that I shared with you guys, and you can keep it in mind when it comes to tightening and loosening your bolts. Let's keep going. So guys, इसको हमने पूरा टाइट कर दिया है and as good as new. Of course not. So the main thing, guys, see, this is the procedure of changing your flat, but you have to keep in mind you have to repair your original tire, because you can only drive up to a certain limit with the spare wheel, which is around I think 80 kilometers per hour, and it's not recommended to go faster than that when you're on your spare, okay? So make sure your tire pressures are in check. Make sure you keep checking that. I think if you're in nitrogen, at least once a month, and if you're using oxygen, at least every 2 weeks आप इसको check करते रहो. And अगर flat हो तो तरीका मैंने आपको दिखा दिया कैसे change करना है, और flat में ज़्यादा देर चलाना नहीं है. You have to change it ASAP, alright? So my hands is so dirty. मज़ा भी आता है टायर चेंज करने में. Anyway, let's park the car and finally conclude the video. So guys, this was the video of changing the flat. Now we're going to check बोल रहे loss of tire pressure here, right? I think tire change हुआ है. अभी भी वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अरे कुछ नहीं है मेरे भाई पीछे, अरे बाप. So we just parked it properly right now. आज तो छुट्टी है यार, so आज तो change होगा नहीं, but we are going to be going the next day and changing and, you know, repairing the flat tire, of course, and changing it back. So this was the process, guys, of changing your tire. And to let me know your thoughts. अगर आपको ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए तो मैं अपने टायर डेलिबरेटली तो पंचर नहीं करूँगा बट मैंने आपको बना के दिखा दिया है. और अगर कोई सजेशन है आपके पास, if you have any suggestions what kind of tutorial videos you would like to see, do let me know. This was a pretty basic tutorial video which I believe, I'm sure all of you are car enthusiasts who follow my channel, and I'm sure all of you are aware. अगर आपको नहीं भी पता था तो through this video you can definitely get the idea of how to change your tire, your flat tire, of course, and you know, if you're in an emergency situation, because अगर आप हाईवे पे हो या कहीं अननोन रोड पे हो और आपको वहाँ टायर पंचर हो जाती है, then you know it's a very dangerous thing if you don't know how to change your tire, especially if you are a woman. All right, if you are a female, you also should know how to change your own tire and be independent in terms of that, because this can happen with anyone, anywhere, okay? So luckily for me it has happened in my home, so I changed it. But anywhere outside, if it happens and if you're unable to do so, that is a risky thing in my opinion, guys. What are your thoughts? You can let me know in the comments. And another thing, guys, देखो टायर चेंज करना ज़रूर आता होगा, but you have to understand one more thing, is that the tools, whether your tools are, you know, rusted, or whether tools are not working properly, or whether your bolts are rusted and they are not opening, that can also be a concern, because you might know how to change your wheel but you don't know what to do when it you know, comes to opening the bolts, because they're so rusted and they are so heated and they are not opening. But you've gotten rid of the bolts and your tire is not coming out. I've already shown you, अगर आप bolts खोल देते हो टायर नहीं निकलती, तो टायर को किक मारना 3-4 बार. Just kick the tire twice or thrice and it will come out, okay? But if your bolts are rusted and they are not opening, all right, that is a concern. So make sure you're checking the bolts and they're not rusted and everything. That is your job to make sure that everything is perfect. Okay, this also comes in the maintenance of your car. आपने गाड़ी ली, आपको maintain तो करना ही पड़ेगा, तो हर एक चीज़ check करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so that is one thing you need to make sure that everything is copacetic, everything is working fine, the bolts are fine, and you're easily able to change the tire. Okay, so there are a lot of factors, guys, but I think I've covered the basics, and it's a very basic tutorial video, guys. I'm sure there are a lot of videos online showing how to change the tire. I thought I will do my part as well and show it to you guys also as to how to make sure that you change your tire and get the job done. And one more thing, spare tire में गाड़ी को ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलाना है, और अगर चला रहे हो तो 80 के स्पीड से ऊपर नहीं जाना है. Okay, mostly spare tires have warning labels on them, but the spare wheel that I have, guys, is 16 inches का ही, ठीक है. So that's not going to be a problem for me. It is just that it is a steel wheel, but it is 16-inch spare wheel. All right, so I can drive with that spare wheel without any hesitation, but it's still not recommended to drive with the spare wheel. Make sure you change it, all right, and come back to your stock. So make sure you change your flat immediately. Okay, ASAP. Okay, मैं हो सकता है एक हफ्ता 10 दिन लग जाए, but आप 11th day को at least change करवा लो. Okay, so that is one more thing I would want to state. And make sure you keep your TPMS updated every time after you fill air in your tires. Okay, अगर आप पास TPMS नहीं है, that's a different story, but if you have TPMS, make sure you keep it updated the moment you refill the air in your tires, whether using nitrogen or oxygen, that's a different matter. जो भी आप air use करो, जो भी refill करो, make sure to update your TPMS so that it can give you accurate readings. Okay, अगर आप ऐसे करोगे कि TPMS आ गया है और कुछ नहीं है और आप उसको reset कर दे रहे हो और फिर वो accurate reading देगा नहीं आपको, and you will have a flat tire, you won't even know. Okay, my TPMS has been warning me for the past 3 days. I'm not going to update it right now because I'm on my spare. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that अगर कोई दूसरा टायर भी किसी का हवा कम हो तो my TPMS will update me. I will only update my TPMS once I change my spare wheel, okay, back to the stock, and refill all the tires again, and then only I'll update my TPMS. Okay, so these are certain things you guys need to keep in mind when it comes to changing your flat, maintaining your tire, maintaining the bolts of your tire in each and every factor. Okay, if you think I've missed out on something, please आप अपने thoughts ज़रूर comments में दो, ताकि people who are watching this video can be aware, okay, as to what they need to do when it comes to a flat tire. हो सकता है I'm missing out on something which is not coming to my mind right now. So please place your thoughts in the comments below. We will all learn from each other. Okay, that is the best way for our community to get more and more knowledgeable. All right, and thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video informative, do share it, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Okay, so thank you so much once again for your support, guys. Means a lot. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, turbo drivers. Bye bye.